JCR, and they make a bunch of cool stuff for Porsches, and they DM me after the launch delivery and
They
said,
slid into your DM?
and they said, we have the perfect exhaust for your car. Probably the best car available for the RS.
Best car available for the RS?
The best exhaust available
That's
for the
what
RS.
you meant. I know what you meant.
What's wrong with all of us? Ready?
Well, lack of sleep.
First of all, that's pretty. What's in here? What's in here? Oh, they're purple.
That's cool.
What's that?
Hayden, this is for you. Thank you for the install. Hayden, what do you got?
Tip.
Just the tip?
Look at those.
Holy crap. Holy crap, it's light. That weighs nothing.
That is sweet.
Right? Isn't that nuts?
That's awesome.
Lightweight and louder.
Give me the purple tip.
Just the tip.
Purple
The
tip?
purple tip.
That's sexy.
You know what's cool? This will all change color once it gets hot. Titanium.
Slide it in, slide it in. Oh,
The size of your tip.
that'll make some noise. There's a box from JCR. Oh, there's shifters! Bigger paddles.
No.
That's a little surprise. I didn't know that was coming.
No.
You sons of bitches.
They snuck in bigger paddles. That's cool.
Oh, thank you. JCR.
JCR. These are quite intricate. Install those today too, please, sir.
No problem.
You won. All right, I want to hear it. Wow. Oh, it sounds louder. Sounds good. Hit it again. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Sounds good.
Crest here.
Hey?
Sounds really good.
Crisp. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Have a good one. See you later. Whoa.
I really like the sound of this exhaust. Those downshifts are crisp.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a very nice tone.
Woo. Hit me with the fire. Woo. Look at this view. Look at this view.
Absolutely stunning.
Stunning.
Breathtaking, if you will. Breathtaking.